During aluminium production, it is important to keep the cell in thermal balance. This requires a predetermined power input, a stable chemical process, and a steady ambient temperature. Reduction of energy input or ambient temperature will cause the ledge thickness to increase. This may lead to inefficient production. Increasing the energy input or ambient temperature will cause the ledge thickness to decrease. This may lead to permanent damage to the cell. The cell must have a stable thermal balance to achieve the most efficient production. In order to achieve thermal balance, 50% of the applied energy is lost to the surroundings, and ledge thickness is affected by the passive ambient cooling of the sidewall. With the Goodtech sidewall heat exchanger, it is possible to control thermal balance by active cooling of the sidewall. And with the Goodtech off-gas cooling heat exchanger, we can recover energy lost by the off-gas. The thermal energy is recovered and transferred to a cooling medium. The sidewall heat exchanger is installed on the sidewalls of the cell and thermally insulated against ambient. The off-gas heat exchanger is installed on the off-gas duct. All heat exchangers are connected to a cooling medium distribution circuit. The thickness of the ledge can now be controlled by active cooling of the side wall. An increase in cooling will lead to an increase in ledge thickness. A decrease in cooling will lead to a decrease in ledge thickness. This gives us the possibility to increase the aluminium production by 20% and still achieve thermal balance. With the system installed, we recover most of the energy lost through the sidewalls and the duct. The recovered thermal energy is collected and can now be utilized by energy conversion units. One example of an internal process is a thermal power plant. Here we can use the recovered energy to preheat the air and fuel going to the burner. The more we preheat the mixture, the more efficient the plant will be. If we reach 200 degrees Celsius on the hot mixture, we can reduce the fuel consumption and CO2 emission by 10%.